Can you wire money with SoFi? Let's untangle the web. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of money transfers, specifically with SoFi. SoFi's become a popular all-in-one finance platform, but can it handle your wire transfer needs? Whether you're buying a house, sending a large sum to family, or just curious about the options, buckle up, we're about to untangle the web of SoFi wire transfers. Now, wire transfers are those super-fast transactions that zip money electronically from one bank account to another. They're secure and ideal for urgent or high-value transfers, but they can also come with fees. So, the big question, can SoFi facilitate these speedy money moves? The short answer. Technically, yes, SoFi allows domestic wire transfers from your SoFi checking and savings or SoFi money cash management account. But here's the twist, SoFi only approves outgoing wire transfers for home purchases. That means sending money to friends, family, or for other reasons is currently a no-go. Why the home purchase restriction? SoFi's reasoning behind this restriction isn't entirely clear. It could be due to their focus on building a comprehensive financial platform for individuals, with home ownership as a key piece of the puzzle. Perhaps they see wire transfers for closing costs and down payments as a natural extension of their services. Alternatives for non-home purchase transfers. If your wire transfer needs aren't related to buying a house, fear not. Here are a few alternatives. ACH transfers. These electronic transfers are slower than wires, but typically come with lower fees. SoFi allows ACH transfers within the US, which could be a good option for sending money to people or businesses domestically. External money transfer services. Companies like Wise or PayPal offer online money transfer services that can be faster and often cheaper than traditional bank wires. Just be sure to compare fees and exchange rates before you commit. Incoming wire transfers with SoFi. The good news is that SoFi does accept incoming wire transfers from any domestic institution. This means you can receive a wire transfer to your SoFi account, regardless of the reason. Things to keep in mind. Even though SoFi accepts incoming wires, there might be fees associated with the initiating bank. So, it's always a good idea to double-check with both the sender and your SoFi account to avoid any surprises. SoFi wire transfers. SoFi's wire transfer policy is a bit limited at the moment. While it caters to home buyers, it doesn't offer the flexibility for other wire transfer needs. However, SoFi does shine with its ACH transfers and the convenience of receiving incoming wires. Remember, when it comes to money transfers, explore your options. Compare fees, transfer speeds, and any limitations before you choose a service. SoFi might be a great fit for your home purchase needs, but for other situations, consider ACH transfers or external money transfer services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing your finances.